All right, so now that you've hopefully taken your instrument preset and added a bunch of effects that you like, let me quickly show you how to group everything together and save that as a preset so you can use it again in other Ableton projects that you start in the future. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is you have to go in, click on your impulse or whatever instrument you have there, and then go to the end of the instrument effect chain, use the shift button like this, hold it down and click on the last thing in the chain. And then on Apple at least, push the Apple or Command key and G. And if you're on a PC, push Control G. And that stands for group. So what has happened now is all of this has been grouped into one entity known as an instrument rack. If you are interested in what you can do with instrument racks, if you just go over here to the Ableton Live manual, go to 18 instrument, drum and effect racks, read this, and it will show you all kinds of really amazingly cool things you can do with racks. But for our purposes right now, all we want to do is we want to group everything together so it is one thing, and we want to save that. Now, we don't go here to the end of the effects chain and save it here because that would be saving the delay preset. Now, with an instrument rack, everything that was up here, the on-off switch and the preset hot swap button and the save button, they're over here now on the side vertically. So if I want to switch everything on and off, I can switch this button and then you can see everything switches off. And if I go down here to this little floppy disk icon and click on this, it opens up our user library, presets, and it is saved within instrument rack right here. I'm just going to call this instrument rack Ableton Live Course Impulse Rack. There we go. And this, I can just pull onto this track, for instance, and now you can see it's got everything in it with all of the settings the way we had them before. So the challenge right now is go and save your collection of instrument and effects, group them together and save them as an instrument rack preset for later use. And in the next tutorial, we're going to actually start recording some beats for our track.